What's up, Tiger here? Oh, spit on the screen, yuck. That's what happens when you beatbox. I mean, what am I supposed to do, right? Anyway, OptimizePress 2.0 is awesome, but it's kind of slow. It's kind of slow, I gotta admit it. I use it to create my own web pages, marketing pages for projects, you know, digital. Oh man, I got some water on my shirt too. Sorry, I got a little leak on this thing. Whatever. Anyways, see, I'll just hide it. There we go. So OptimizePress, it's kind of slow, you know, and if you've used it, you would probably agree it's not super efficient. If you're trying to select, if you're trying to figure out what kind of page builder you need to use or you want to use for marketing your products, digital information products online, OptimizePress 2.0 is a tool for you. But it's not perfect. Okay, it does so many things well that you shouldn't look any further. But I will say, you know, there are some baby negatives to it, just like anything else, or just like with anything else. And my number one baby negative, it is a baby negative, it's not a major negative, it's a baby negative. It's not that big of a deal, because you can get around it. It's the fact that it's a little bit slow. You gotta, like, you know, save your page, preview it, save your page, preview it, save your page, preview it over and over and over again. It takes a little while. And even any basic function, even with really fast internet, like, things take a long time to load. It's not like what you see is what you get. You're not looking at the page as it is, what it will actually show. You have to preview it to see how it will actually show. You know, save it, then preview it to see how it actually show and look when someone actually views it. So that's kind of the nature of OptimizePress, the tool, how it works, and one of the frustrating things about it is kind of slow. So the answer to that really is simply this. If you didn't already know, if you couldn't figure it out, probably could have based on the title of this video, but if you're not doing this already, you need to do one thing, and I think this really comes into play with any kind of page building tool editor that you use online. It's called creating templates. Okay, it doesn't really matter how fast your tool is, how slow it is. You can always get around it by using templates. This is a great way to speed up workflow, okay? Creating lots of page templates. What I recommend doing is first, know how to use the tool, understand the elements, understand how to use rows differently, understand how to use margins, okay? Spacing things out. I think the key to OptimizePress when creating pages is really understanding how, learning how, looking at the space in between the elements can really affect the look of the page. You know, it really can. Like, using the spacing element to add a little more space or reduce the space or whatever. You know, changing the widths of feature boxes and video players and stuff like that. You know, think about the margins and think about the spacing. And this especially because this stuff takes the longest to tweak. So what I'm saying is create lots of page templates with different variations of rows and elements and how things are spaced. You know, really tweak that stuff and know that you can drag and drop, you know, using the copy and paste feature inside OptimizePress 2.0. You can drag and drop these different rows into pages. And now you have all kinds of building blocks ready to go for your other pages. This is how you speed up OptimizePress 2.0 if you are a user or if you plan to become a user. Okay, if you do, make sure you click on my sales page in the description box or in the little information pop up on this video. They'll show up in the upper right corner. And check out my sales page. Check out OptimizePress 2.0. I have affiliate links and on that page, and see for yourself how awesome this tool is. But I think one thing you should realize is that this is not a super efficient editor. It's just an awesome editor from a bigger perspective. It does everything you want an editor to do. But you know, you got to learn how to use it efficiently, so it doesn't take you forever to create a page, because it will at first. It will. To create a nice looking page, whatever kind of page it is, it will take you a long time. So think about creating templates as you go, and that'll help speed up your workflow. Okay? Peace out, Tiger.